Connecting an Eero device to a Spectrum modem involves physically linking the devices via Ethernet, allowing the modem to restart and completing the setup through the Eero app. This tutorial outlines the steps. What the setup does: the Eero device creates a mesh Wi-Fi network that replaces or extends your existing wireless coverage. When connected to a Spectrum modem, the Eero handles all routing and Wi-Fi broadcasting. For best results, the Spectrum modem should be placed in bridge mode, or the Eero should be set up without double NAT conflicts. Step 1. Connect the hardware. Unplug the power cable from your Spectrum modem. Wait a few seconds. Take an Ethernet cable and plug one end into the Ethernet or LAN port on your Spectrum modem. Plug the other end into the WAN or LAN port on the back of your primary Eero device. Step 2. Power on and restart devices. Plug your Spectrum modem back into the power outlet. Give the modem approximately 2 to 3 minutes to fully restart and reconnect to the internet. Wait until the modem lights become stable and indicate an online connection. Next, plug your Eero device into a power outlet. The Eero status light will begin blinking white. After a short time, it should start blinking blue, indicating it is ready for setup. Step 3. Set up the Eero using the app. Download the Eero app from the App Store, iPhone, or Google Play Store, Android. Open the Eero app and select the option to set up a new network. The app will automatically search for your connected Eero device. Follow the on-screen instructions. During setup, create a new Wi-Fi network name and password. It is recommended to choose a unique Wi-Fi name rather than using your previous Spectrum Wi-Fi name. This helps prevent connection issues and makes it easier to identify your new network. Step 4. Confirm connection. Continue following the prompts until setup is complete. When the Eero LED light becomes solid white or solid blue, your network is active and connected to the internet. Limitation: if your Spectrum modem is also a router gateway, the Eero will create a second network behind it, resulting in double NAT. This may affect online gaming or port forwarding. To avoid this, place the Spectrum gateway in bridge mode or contact Spectrum to have it set to bridge mode. This setup is best suited for users who want a mesh Wi-Fi system with better coverage than the Spectrum-provided equipment.